Hey guys, I'm here at the soon-to-be iONNA Rechargery in Garner, North Carolina. Thought I'd do a quick construction site video. Got the drone out. Let's go and take a look to see what's going on. Alright, so we have trenches dug. The previous gas pumps have been removed. And we got ditch witches and earth movers in place. Looks like some conduit going on over here. I'm assuming from what I'm seeing in the construction so far that they are not going to be removing the canopy or the building. At least that's what it looks like to me. And as you can see, it's a pretty big building, stretching both locations. All the gas pumps have been removed. All e-mobility is on site, and they are in swing. Anyway, just a quick passing through video of the Garner Rechargery. One exciting thing about this, as far as I know, this is the first one that it was a active gas station that's now being converted into electric vehicle charging station. So in my opinion, that's significant. We haven't really seen that before. The last one, the Apex Rechargery, was a decommissioned gas station that they just kind of took over and made into a rechargery. But this is a full-service gas station that went out of business. They purchased the property for, and now turning into a rechargery. Pretty exciting.